Hi, we are Lili and Jesko, an artist couple from Germany, from Europe. We are here now on the Lamu Islands making a Kasbah art show.
We met in Hamburg while dancing at a very famous dancing club called Soul Kitchen. Since 2003, so like already over 20 years, we are creating environments and transforming buildings. When we met with Herbert in Hamburg, and we were talking about our second artist in residency now, he all the time said, Lili and Jesko, what will be your project? He always said. And I said, let's let it flow, Herbert. We don't know now. And we will let you know when we're on the island. So he was a little bit nervous.
I'm Herbert Menzer. Usually I live in Hamburg and Amsterdam, in Europe, of course. But then European winter means African summer, so one day I stranded by coincidence in Lamu and immediately fell in love with its historical minimalist patterns and heritage of Swahili architecture. I'm very passionate to build bridges between people, and my personal vision is to do this with the help of art. We have been the one in 2010 to create artists in residency can come to Lamu and stay for a certain period, even up to 6 weeks. And in 24, the residency of Lili and Jesko and Fiona Bennett.
Hello, my name is Fiona Bennett. I am a hat designer and artist from Berlin, Germany. And it doesn't stop. I will always be a hat person because I just love it. It's playful. And I think even in our times now, we need this so much. There's one style that continues in my work. I love oversized hats. I love to blow it up a bit more. And the humorous touch of hats are important for me.
What we immediately loved to do was to work, like Jesko said, with the locals, with the children, also with the adults, and to collaborate and to connect. We will do huge wall hangings with the children of Obonifu on the rooftop of Obonifu. We had 11 painting sessions with them on 11 afternoons. So much fabric was used for this exhibition in only a short time, like 2-3 weeks from the painting. By setting up now the exhibition here in Kasbah, the staff members of Herbert were so exciting. They were saying it's the most beautiful exhibition.
And I'm happy to be in Kasbah with my colleagues. I can say it's something original.
Yeah, my name is Evans Shamama, working in Kasbah as a chef and also manager. And yeah, it was very good to have people here for a nice exhibition. We got experience from them, and it was very nice. It was very well planned by Jesko and Lili. Yeah, and it was very, very, very well. It has not been done here before.
Let us have peace. No, it's just a big pleasure every February to set up this art show, Kasbah Art Show, which is sort of a bit
an artistic landmark during this time, and it is sort of a fix in the schedule of many who are coming in February.
As a Shella resident and as a creative, it's been amazing to watch this project come to life, seeing what they've been doing at Ubunifu and hearing them talk about it, and then finally arriving today and seeing everything, the vision come to life. I think it's really fun. And so many different members of the community are here, and it really is PAMOJA AMANI.